Hi, I'm Danny Glover with the Glover Law Firm in Elizabeth City. I've been helping injured people in northeastern North Carolina for over 22 years, and I want to talk to you specifically now about pedestrian injuries. These are more common than we would like for them to be, especially down in the Outer Banks, where you have tourists come in. Most of the beach houses are away from the ocean. And what that means is, in order to get to the ocean, tourists have to cross one or two major roads. The first is the beach road, the 2-lane NC-12 going down most of the Outer Banks. And then probably 10 or 15 houses in, you get to the 5-lane 158, also known as Croatan Highway. And then you have a lot of houses on the sound side of Croatan Highway. And so people carrying all sorts of beach stuff, coolers, bikes, boogie boards, paddle boards, chairs, whatever, are having to cross these major thoroughfares when the thoroughfares are already slam-packed with cars trying to get somewhere in a hurry normally. And so it can become very, very dangerous. In North Carolina, pedestrians are protected by crosswalks. And so whenever you're on the Outer Banks, make sure that you are using crosswalks and that you are completely within the boundaries of crosswalks. In North Carolina, pedestrians are required to walk along the shoulder facing oncoming traffic. So it's important that you do that. That helps you see what's coming at you so that you can avoid any potential hazards as necessary. It also presents a better visual to the oncoming motorist, since more of your skin is going to be visible to the motorist as opposed to being turned around where hair and hats and clothing may hide and camouflage you from motorists. But in North Carolina, pedestrian accidents, injuries, fatalities are complicated by contributory negligence, which says if the person hurt contributes in any way to their own injuries, they're not entitled to recover anything. And so when pedestrians are struck by a vehicle on a road, the knee-jerk reaction is, why were they there to begin with? And so it takes an experienced attorney who has handled a lot of pedestrian injury cases to decipher the applicable laws and rules to determine that the wreck was the fault of the motorist and not the pedestrian. These are complicated, and they are not the kind of cases that most people can handle without the help of an attorney. So if you've been hurt in a pedestrian accident, please call me. Again, I'm Danny Glover with the Glover Law Firm, 252-299-5300. You can email me, Danny@DannyGloverLawFirm.com. Thanks.